You're not moving as fast as you want, not because you're slow. You're not moving as fast you want because you're not moving at all. You have decisions to make and you're not making them. You're stuck. And what gets us stuck? A lot of times, as self employed people, we get stuck because we don't use that thing that Adam and I believe so much in, and that's your intuition. In using your intuition, and there's a time for using your intuition. A lot of times, we try to make decisions with just facts and data, and we get caught up in all of the different evidence and all the different things that happen, and we don't listen to the thing that our intuition is telling us. We don't let our gut make the decision because we're trying to use logic. And, we talk about different sabotaging behaviors that come into play. And one of those is that hyper rational saboteur. It doesn't allow us to make illogical decisions. And our intuition is that illogical decision. It's the thing that our gut is telling us. And our gut, when the ego is trying to figure out all the rational reasons for why we should do something, the gut is really saying we just need to go and do it. And because we feel it, it's really simple. If you use your intuition and you get rid of all the other noise, you will make better decisions. And that's one of the things that Adam and I really try to help people with when we're coaching. We try to give you the opportunity to use your intuition because you have the answers within you. They're just being suppressed by something or someone. And decisions are just choices that we're making. And a lot of people don't recognize that they have the choice to make it, or they fear it because they're doubting making that decision because they want to eliminate as much doubt. They want to get away with as much of the risk as possible because they're just so afraid to do something wrong. And as self-employed individuals, you don't have people to bounce ideas off of. And if you're anything like me, you were doing it in a vacuum when you started, right? You were just listening to yourself and it became harder to make decisions and you started to reach out for help to get answers to those decisions, to help figure out and make the choices that you needed to make in choosing the right way for you to head. But usually 9 times out of 10, that right way, if you checked in with your gut, is where you're going to experience the most exact and precise answer that decision requires. And it doesn't have to be logical. It's something that has to be felt and you have to know is the right direction for you.